Good morning everyone. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start chapter 8. Title of the chapter is World of Insects and Small Animals. In this chapter we will study about the insects and the small animals. So let's get started. All of you look at this one. This is an insect. Have you seen insect? Give me some examples of insects. Insects have 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings and a pair of antennae. Body of the insect is divided into 3 main parts: head, thorax and abdomen. The wings and legs are located on the thorax. You can see that wings and legs are located where? On the thorax. Insects have exoskeleton outer covering that is made of chitin. Some insects can crawl and some insects can fly. Now all of you level the parts of insect. Tell me, this is mouth part, these are wings, thorax, this one abdomen, and these two are antennae. Now all of you are aware from the body parts of insect. Look at this one. Forewing, hind wing, abdomen, thorax, legs, antennae, head. These are the body parts of insect. Now we will study about some common insects. Have you seen this insect? This is a cockroach. Cockroach hide during the day and become very active at night. They crawl on the ground and can fly. They feed on kitchen garbage, scrap, etc. They have 6 legs. Why? Because cockroaches are insects. Cockroach is an insect, so it has how many legs? 6 legs. And body of the cockroach is divided into how many parts? 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Now look at this one. Honeybee. This is a honeybee. Honeybee is called social insect. Do you know why? Because honeybee lives together in a group. We get honey from honeybee. Honeybee is very useful insect. Honeybees live in a beehive. There are about 1,000 bees. And members of the honeybees, members of family of honeybees are drone, queen, worker. They live together in a beehive. Look at this one, housefly. Housefly is the most common insect. It is mostly found in dirty place. It loves dirty place. Housefly carries the germs of many diseases and make us ill. Diseases like typhoid, cholera, dysentery. So housefly is very dangerous for us. And what should we do? We should clean our surroundings because housefly lives where? In dirty place. Look at this one. This is a mosquito. Mosquito is very small insect. They breed in standing water stagnant water. Mosquito also loves dirty place. Mosquito is the most dangerous insect and spread diseases such as dengue, malaria, yellow fever. So we should not keep stagnant water. We should keep our surroundings clean to prevent diseases like malaria, dengue, yellow fever. Ant is called social insect because ant lives in groups. Ant has 6 legs and move in a line. And now we will study about small animals. Look at this one. Tell me, what is this? This is a spider. Spider is a small animal. Spider is not an insect. Why? Because the spider has 8 legs and insect has 6 legs. They catch their prey by spinning a web around themselves. Spiders spin a web around themselves. They make their webs on the walls and roofs of our houses. Look at this one, earthworm. Earthworm is mostly seen during the rainy season. It lives in moist place. Earthworm lives in the soil and make the soil fertile. So, earthworm is called the friend of farmer. It loses the soil and it increases the amount of air and water in the soil. It brings organic substance from the top of the soil to the bottom of the soil to below the soil, and it makes soil fertile. So earthworm is called the friend of a farmer. Earthworm is also very useful animal. Centipedes. Centipedes are crawlers with numerous legs. They are poisonous and bite humans. So afraid with centipedes. Look at this one. This is a leech. Leech is a small animal like earthworms. It belongs from Annelida phylum. It sucks blood of animals, blood of human beings, cattle, frog. It is also used for therapy, leech therapy. Butterfly is beautiful insect usually seen in the gardens. It has 2 pairs of multicolored wings. Insects can be harmful to humans. Insects can be useful to humans. The honeybees helps pollinate crops, so we have fruits and vegetables to eat. It helps in the pollination to transfer the pollen grains from male reproductive part to the female reproductive part. Anther to stigma. Beetles and flies are decomposers, keeping ecosystems healthy and adding nitrogen back into the soil. Many food chains and food webs depend on insects. Most of the animals, they eat insects. Insects can be harmful. Some insects carry diseases such as malaria, plague, dengue, yellow fever. Some insects destroy crops such as locusts or boll weevils. Some invade our homes such as cockroach. Cockroach destroys papers and food materials. So insects can be useful and harmful. Now we have completed all the topics of this chapter. Thank you for today. Have a good one.